Hey everyone, welcome back to the Emma Tech Hub channel. You know how frustrating snoring can be if you or your partner struggles with this issue at night. That's why we're sharing an honest review of the VitalSleep Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece to see if it works and is worth trying. The VitalSleep Mouthpiece stops snoring by addressing the blocked airway that causes loud snoring while sleeping. But how exactly does this anti-snoring device work? Let's break it down. Snoring happens when your tongue and throat muscles relax too much during sleep, narrowing the airway. Restricted airflow causes the vibrations you hear as snoring. VitalSleep gently moves your lower jaw forward, keeping the airway open to breathe more easily and quietly through the night. This mouthpiece targets the cause of snoring for peaceful and restful nights. No more use of ineffective solutions. Better airflow means better sleep for you and your partner. So, why choose VitalSleep over other anti-snoring mouthpieces, might you ask? Here are some key benefits. VitalSleep improves breathing by opening your airway to help you breathe more freely for deeper and better restful sleep. A patented AccuAdjust system allows you to adjust your jaw position up to 8 mm, so choose the correct custom fit. A simple boil and bite process molds perfectly to your teeth for comfort and effectiveness. VitalSleep is also doctor recommended, FDA cleared, and a BPA and latex-free mouthpiece. Over 500,000 people use it, proving its effectiveness. And a 1-year guarantee promises a free replacement or 100% money back if anything goes wrong. Getting the most out of your VitalSleep anti-snoring is easy. Step 1. Choose the right size. Place an order and wait for fast shipping. Step 2. Soften the gadget in hot water, bite down and mold to your teeth. Step 3. Use the patented AccuAdjust tool to set your ideal jaw position, up to 8 mm forward. Step 4. Wear the mouthpiece nightly to enjoy snore-free, restful sleep, so you wake up refreshed and energized. Want to try VitalSleep for yourself? A link in this video description will take you directly to the official VitalSleep website to ensure you get a genuine anti-snoring mouthpiece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future reviews. Thanks so much for watching. We wish you enjoy a quiet and more restful night's sleep over and over.